Amici, how about I take you to a true Italian paradise? And the true Italian paradise is the Garda DOC district. Someone has taken my station. And it's Sara.
Ciao.
Ciao, Sara. Posso intanto?
No, you cannot because it's not finished yet.
Okay, so let's go back to paradise while Sara is preparing some delicious dish. Lake Garda, massive lake, the biggest in Italy, the largest in Italy. Alps, sweet hills, beautiful mountains, and of course the crystal clear water. And around this lake there is 10 different wine appellations. In 1996, the Garda DOC has somehow embraced these 10 appellations where beautiful wines are produced. Today I have got some Pinot Grigio, which I'm gonna pour a bit for Sara. Not because I want to try some of your cheese there, but just because I'm nice. And I've got some Garda DOC bubbly. This is like a Charmat method, so pretty round mousse. And imagine to be in a place where you have... Oh, are you ready for this?
Yes, please.
Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful. Imagine to be around the city of Verona, where you have, of course, Romeo and Juliet, and then you have the incredible Renaissance Mantova and the medieval castles of Brescia. Think about this while I'm having a bite of
Piave, 12 months aged. The other one is 6 months aged.
Okay. Oh man, this is good. This is like saffron, you said?
Yes, is a poached saffron pear. The other one is pear with tropea onion confiture.
Okay, so that's gonna be a little bit sweeter,
Yes,
maybe? Can I try?
please.
Man, this is the reason why I am in this business. Now, delicious, very soft cheese. You need some bubbles. Sara, grazie mille.
Grazie a te.
Salute.
Salute.
And come enjoy the Garda DOC Paradiso. And for more tricks, tips, and love, subscribe our channel, follow our social media, and drink some good wines. Capito? Capito? Arrivederci.